The late alarm. Daniel, I have an important meeting at 9, and we are late.
What time is it now?
It is 7:45.
Oh no, the alarm did not ring.
I need my folder and my laptop.
Your folder is on the desk.
Thank you. Where is my black bag?
I saw it near the door last night.
I feel so stressed.
Breathe, Emma. We can still make it.
The meeting starts in 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Then we move fast, but not crazy.
Can you make coffee while I get ready?
Yes. Meet me in the kitchen in 5 minutes.
The missing keys. Daniel, I cannot find the car keys.
They are not on the table.
No, only my phone and your cup.
Check your coat pocket.
My coat is on the chair.
Good. Look there first.
No keys. I only found a receipt.
Maybe I put them in my bag.
Please check quickly.
Here they are.
It is okay. We have no time for blame.
Take your coffee. I have the keys.
Wait, I need the presentation notes.
They are in your folder. Let's go.
Bad traffic. Why is the traffic not moving?
There is an accident ahead.
Oh no, it is 8:20.
The office is 10 minutes away without traffic.
But with traffic, it can be 30 minutes.
I know. Let me check another route.
Can we park and walk?
Maybe. The next street has a garage.
I can walk fast in these shoes.
Good. I will carry the laptop bag.
Thank you. I need to call the office.
Tell them we are close.
And tell them to wait 5 minutes.
Yes. Stay calm and speak clearly.
Coffee on the shirt.
Emma, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Let me see. It is small.
But I stand next to you in the meeting.
Do not worry. Your sweater covers it.
Are you sure?
Yes, just keep the sweater closed.
Okay. How much time do we have?
It is 8:52.
We have 8 minutes.
I still need to open the slides.
I will connect the laptop.
And I will read the first notes.
We can do this together.
Yes, let's go to the meeting room. Ready at last. The slides are open. Good.
The screen works too.
I was sure this morning was a disaster.
It was stressful, but we are here.
Do I look okay?
You look professional and ready.
Please start with the chart after my introduction.
Yes. I will speak for 2 minutes.
Then I will explain the new plan.
That sounds clear.
My hands are still shaking.
Take one slow breath.
Okay, I feel better now.
The team is coming in.
Thank you for helping me this morning.
Always. Now let's give a great presentation